Hi guys, so the Instagram Music in Stories is finally available in India and it's actually very good, and I think it's going to give TikTok a very good competition. So without any further ado, let's go for a quick tutorial. Okay, so if you want to add a Instagram music on your story, you know how to add a story, right? Just click the camera icon, and of course you can the normal one and visit the live one, and you can see a new one, the music one, and see some list pops up, and of course these are the popular songs. You can choose whichever song you want and different moods. According to different moods, there is going to be so much library in this, right? Yeah, and different genres: Hindi, Indian pop, Punjabi, Telugu, and apparently they didn't add Malayalam yet. That's a bummer. So if you, for example, if you want to add this, okay, Believer by Imagine Dragons, just click here. See, and you can choose different types: DVC, vintage, glow, nothing, pearls, and you can add if you want. If you click the flash icon, you can add a little bit flash in it, and just click the, if you want to put this as a story, just click the music icon again, and you can, if I choose the user story, and of course it's going to go for my followers. And but if you want to add the Instagram music on one of your picture, what you have to do is just go to the normal one and click choose a picture, and I'm going to choose Khabib Nurmagomedov picture. And if you want to add a song with this picture, just swipe up. Okay, just swipe up. All you have to do is swipe up and click here the music, and see, you can see the list again, and you can choose whatever song you want. And I'm again choosing the Believer one, and you can see the 50, you can add the 50 second of that song, according to which part you want, you can choose it. See, and you can add, if you want to add the lyric, you can add it, you can, different in different way. And you only want to add this one, okay, you can also add that. And you can also want to add that picture, you can add that. And after that, just click say done and just put your story. Okay, so that is how you add Instagram music on a picture. And if you want to add Instagram music on a video, it's also very simple. Okay, this is a video, so I'm just gonna click this video, just like usual. Okay, just like usual, just click this video, 1.36 length video. And it's, of course, it is in 4 parts. It's a Kabi promo. So if you want to add a music into, just of course, then just as we did earlier, just swipe up and you can see the music here. And before that, if you I think you want to turn off the music, right? So sorry, turn off the volume. See, I can do by like this, and just click music, and of course as usual you can go for Believer again. See, and it's going to be awesome, right? It's going to be awesome. It is going to, so this is my a small tutorial how to use the Instagram music on your stories. You can do your own creative works. You can make it awesome. You can do your own video, your own picture. You can make it awesome. So that is how you do the Instagram music on pictures, on videos. So I think it's a very good update, right? I think it is a very good update. I think it's going to be awesome. I think it is going to give TikTok a very good challenge.